Today's hearing lasted only about 20 minutes, but during that time we heard some pretty passionate arguments from Lawson's attorney on why he should no longer be behind bars. For the first time since his arrest late last year, Steve Lawson, one of the three men charged with the 2015 death of Crystal Rogers, came face to face with her loved ones. But walking into court Thursday, he looked straight ahead. His attorney was arguing for a lower bond, saying his client was not a flight risk and had cooperated for years.
All this time, we have acceded to every request without question of the Commonwealth. Asked us to appear, we appeared.
Ted Lavitt said his client was even promised immunity for his cooperation. Lawson is charged with conspiracy to commit murder. At the time of Rogers' 2015 disappearance, he was working for the main suspect, Brooks Houck. And he admitted to picking up his son, Joseph Lawson, also charged in the case, who had allegedly driven Rogers' car to the Bluegrass Parkway.
In all of the thousands of pages of discovery that I've been given, there's not one line that talks about my client hurting or being involved in doing away with Crystal.
But Lavitt admitted in court that 8.5 years ago his client had a drinking problem. We asked about that later.
How can you be so sure then that he remembers things accurately or even is telling the truth?
I can't be. And he can't be, and nobody can be.
Still, Lavitt says his client, and he admits he likely won't be able to come up with the money, deserves a $20,000 cash bond or a $40,000 real estate bond. The prosecution says, based on admissions Steve Lawson made and the charge, that current $500,000 cash bond should stick. And while it could be 5 days until we have a decision on whether or not there is a bond reduction in Steve Lawson's case, we do know that his son, Joseph Lawson, will be on the docket tomorrow for a bond reduction in his case. Reporting in Nelson County tonight, I'm Lauren Adams, WLKY News.